I'm Andy Haddon in Big River Bakery in Shieldfield, Newcastle. So I'm wearing my baking clothes, released my shirt with Big River Bakery sign on, black outfit. Behind me here we've got shelves with books and cuddly toys and stotty baking kits. Many different things we sell in the bakery outside of just the baked goods. Well, the early days, maybe you don't have the resources. We didn't have money. So, right, how do we start a bakery? I volunteered with another bakery to learn enough. And then we find a bakery that's not being used. And we use that on a Friday. And then the council helped us in Northumberland, in Wylam, where I live. And we would sell the bread in the library on a Saturday morning. So people would come for their books and their bread. And it tripled the footfall into the library. So to help keep that building open in the community, valuable resource for the community. A big part of what we do is social impact on the community. So we worked with the council to develop an employability program here. So we're taking long-term unemployed from the most challenging postcodes in the city, and they come here to bake and learn and build confidence, lots of soft ways that they can develop from where they are to move forward towards employment or training. So we've been doing that in collaboration with the council for the last few years. The benefits of living in the city of Newcastle, the compactness is wonderful. You've got this really small city centre. You can go from fields in one side of the city to the riverside in a 15-minute walk or 5 minutes on a bike. So you can cover the ground very quickly, but you tend to bump into people, or you want to have a meeting, you're there in so short a period of time. There's an openness and the warmth that comes with the people. So there's cultural benefits, there's the physical arrangements of the city, there's just being inspired by the beauty of it if you keep your eyes open and look up. So it's a very practical city in that way because everything's so close. My vision is that the Northeast is known as a place where a kinder, healthier, sustainable food system is happening at scale. Just imagine if all those people bring their food waste to the back of the bakery and we turn that into electricity, and then we give them, or maybe reduce the price, or give them food. So there's a positive incentive for them to do something with their food waste, and there's a feedback loop. And it comes from a community level approach to the solutions. And I think that's the fundamental shift in the emphasis than the individual guilt to positive solutions within communities. And the bakery is an example of that. It's an aggregated solution. And we could do that in all aspects of sustainability. So we've got to start looking at more aggregated solutions, and they're much more equitable for being that. So you've got to start working across the silos. So it's not about transport, it's not about energy, it's not about health, all separate. We need to start working across the silos, join them up, and then you're going to do something useful. If you stay in your silo, it won't happen.